Hello Empower Champions, welcome to another video. So if it's the first time that you're visiting this channel, welcome. My name is Viveth. I'm a freelancer and my background is in taxation. So on this channel we talk about ways that you can make money online. We talk about passive income. We talk about freelancing tools and tips, freelancing as well, and money saving tips, as well as motivation, and generally anything as it relates to achieving financial freedom. We talk about it. So in this video I'll be talking about what this month is all about. So this month, the month of October, is celebrated internationally as National Financial Planning Month, and it is only fitting for this channel in which we talk about personal finance in terms of budgeting, tracking your expenses, savings, investing, and achieving your financial goals. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. We do not provide financial services or advice on this channel. This is just basically from my personal experience and what I have read and learned, right? So in order to have your financial goals be assessed and you want advice, we advise you to seek a financial advisor in terms of drafting strategies in order to achieve your financial goals. But on this channel, we talk about ways in which you can help yourself in order to achieve your goals, right? So as I said before, that this month October is celebrated as National Financial Planning Month, and we want to encourage persons that now is the time that you need to revise your financial plans, look at your budget, look at your expenses, and see where how are you doing. If you had created a financial goal at the beginning of the year, or a financial plan, then it's a good time now to look at it, to revise it, and see if you can make any changes to it. We are approaching the holiday season. Christmas is around the corner, and we know that a lot of spending normally takes place during this time of the year. So on this channel we want to encourage you to do not overspend, because we don't want to go into the new year with a lot of debt, to start the new year wrong with a lot of debt. So we want to encourage you to look at your spending, look at your budget, examine it to see if there are areas in which you can reduce your expenses. Look to see if you are paying, for example, like sign up for a subscription, and you're not probably using that service. You can eliminate that out of your as you know, from your expenses, as well as looking at your credit card. Try not to overuse your credit card, because it is very tempting when you see things and you want it, and especially as I said, Christmas is coming, and you want to indulge and you want to buy this and you want to buy that. But I'm asking you please to spend wisely. Normally credit cards, the interest rates are normally high, and it's gonna be extremely difficult to clear it off if you did not save that or put down that money to clear it off when you use it. So I'm just asking that you just spend wisely, examine your budget, do not overspend, stay within your budget, because at the end of the day you want to save some money, you want to invest some money, you want to have an emergency fund in place, because if COVID-19 has taught us anything, is that one source is next to zero, and we all need to have some money put down, that if anything should happen, we have at least some money that can carry us until we are able to sort out ourselves, in terms of either getting another job, or try to do something for ourselves that will generate an income, right? So we also talk about having an extra income to cushion the income that you already have. So we talk about ways that you can make money online, passive income ideas, having a side hustle, right? You can offer your services online on a platform called Fiverr, which I offer my services as a freelancer. And in terms of money saving tips, Rakuten is a platform in which you can purchase anything. Well, most stores are on that platform, and you will get a cashback when you make purchases through the platform. There's a link in the description in which you can sign up. It is free to join. But when you use that link, is a referral link, so I will get a commission if you choose to use that for referral link. But that is one way in which you can save some money, get some money, cash back, get some money back in your pocket, as I always say. So who wouldn't like money in their pocket? I know I like to get back some money, right? So, and I did a video in which I had gotten a small check from them, even though I didn't really do much shopping at the time, but I was able to get a small check. So you can use the service. It works, right? So I just want to, and if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, leave a comment down below. And I just want to encourage you all, or encourage all of us, including myself, that we are on this journey towards financial freedom. We don't want to be having unnecessary debt on our hands. So any way that we can track our expenses, reduce our expenses, save some money, invest in our money, so whether in the short term or the long term, we are able to achieve our financial goals, right? So thank you guys for watching, and as I said, if this content is something that you enjoy, I ask again, subscribe to the channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share the videos, comment on the videos, tell me, let me know what are you thinking, what are your thoughts, what you would want to see on this channel. And I hope and I pray that we will be financially free. We will be financially free. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Peace.